So in order to check the antifreeze, you always want to do this cold. We'll push down, we're twisting the cap off. And we got it right up there. This antifreeze looks like it's the green and the level is full. So I want to make sure that's full. And then it's got an overflow jug over here. And on this side, you can see the low and the high. And you just take this cap off here and thread this cap, and you'd fill through there and get up to the low. It's actually at the low, so when the car warms up and it gets hot, this level is going to rise up here. So this is actually at the best level right now. And to do the brake fluid, you've got this cover right here, and you'd fill through here, and here's your full level right here. And this one is low on brake fluid because we've actually got a brake line that's leaked on it.
Yeah,
so
I don't think there's anything in there.
No, I don't think so either. But you'll fill through there, get it up to the level, and then get your cap twisted back on, and that's how you check the brake fluid level. So your windshield washer fluid is right here. You just pop the cap off. You'll fill the level till you come up to the top here, and you can see it snaps back down. It's on, and the level is properly right here. It doesn't need much at all, so I wouldn't even bother adding any at this point. So we're going to pull the dipstick here. And, you know, it's kind of best to check it in the morning. You can check it when it's hot. It's going to be a little lower after you've already ran the car. You check it in the morning before it's ran. You're looking for your proper oil level. This car is low on oil. It should be in between the checks right now, and it's not. So when you check this in the morning, it's probably right at the dot, but we've already ran it, so it drops down, and you have oil in the overhead right now. So if you check it first thing in the morning before you started, all the oil from the top of the engine drains down and the level would have come up. But it's probably down a quart of oil. So stick it down again, we'll pull it back up, and it's still below the dot. So this car needs a quart of oil. And to add the oil, I'll get this back in. You're gonna pull the cap off right here, untwist it, and you put a funnel in here because it's got a small hole here. Put a funnel in and add your oil. And it doesn't particularly say what grade is on this one.
So you'd have to check the owner's manual, or you can actually research your make and model, engine size online, and you can probably find it online too. Yeah. So we'll end up doing that so we can see what it takes. Thanks for watching the video. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment, and I will reply back to you.